Sparrow, those toys are way bigger than you are. You little thing. You little thing. Show how show everyone how tiny you are, even compared to my hand. Huh? Yeah. You're just a little bitty thing. It's your ornery. You gonna get it, Robin? You gonna get the tiger? Whoops. Okay. Never mind. Oh, back again? But if we show how big you are compared to my foot, compared to my foot, that's still how small you are. My foot is bigger than you. Yes. This is your first time out of the pen. Alright, are you done with the toys? No, not quite. Forgive the radio in the background if that audio is coming through. I forgot to turn it off when I started the video. Students are blocking the entrance to Massachusetts Hall, Harvard's oldest building, preventing university president Drew Gilpin Faust from entering her office. The protesters want Harvard to sell off the fossil fuel stocks in its $36 billion investment. All right. Good babies. Good babies. Spare.